Welcome to this foundation lesson on key concepts and terminologies in digital marketing and strategies. This session is designed to equip your students with a solid understanding of the essential terms and concepts that will serve as the building blocks for their future learning in digital marketing and strategic planning. This is submodule 1 of digital segmentation, called Introduction to Digital Strategies. In this first lesson, we will discuss the key concepts and terminologies. During this lesson, you can expect the following things: some practical examples and case studies to help students connect theoretical concepts with real-world applications. Also, interactive exercises designed to reinforce their understanding and application of the key concepts and terminologies. By the end of this lesson, your students will have a strong grasp of the fundamental digital marketing concepts and terminologies, laying the groundwork for more advanced topics. To start, you can ask the students if they have any experience with digital marketing and what their expectations are. Afterwards, these key concepts and terminologies can be used as an introduction to digital strategies. You can show them in a PowerPoint and discuss the given examples, or you can print them as fiches and divide them through the class so they can be discussed in group. At the end of this lesson, you will also find a fill-in exercise to recap the content. Just to inspire, here are some possible didactic methods you can use. First one is group discussions. Divide the trainees into small groups and assign each group a concept to discuss. Encourage them to brainstorm ideas, share insights, and discuss potential challenges and solutions related to the concept. The second one is a role-playing exercise. Create role-playing scenarios where the trainees or students can simulate real-life situations related to digital marketing concepts. For example, they can role-play as a marketing team developing a social media strategy or optimizing a landing page for better conversion rates. So on this slide, you can see the basic concepts and terminologies that will be discussed in the following slides. If you are looking for more concepts or a more advanced version, you can also check this lesson at intermediate level. You can show these concepts in a PowerPoint and discuss the given examples, or you can print them as fiches and divide them through the class so they can be discussed in group. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. SEO is like optimizing a store so that people can find it more easily when they're looking for specific products. SEO involves improving a website's visibility in the organic non-paid search results of search engines like Google. This includes optimizing website content, improving loading speeds, obtaining high-quality backlinks, and using relevant keywords to improve rankings in search engines. On the right side, you can see an example. Imagine you have an online bakery called Sweet Treats. By using SEO, or Search Engine Optimization, you ensure that when people search for best cupcakes near me, your bakery appears at the top of the search results. SEM, Search Engine Marketing. SEM is like advertising in a shopping mall, where you pay to showcase your products in a prominent place. SEM involves running paid advertising campaigns to increase a website's visibility in search engines. This includes using paid search ads like Google Ads, where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. An example: Suppose Sweet Treats, the bakery, wants to promote a new line of vegan cupcakes. Using SEM, they will create a Google ad that appears at the top of search results when someone types vegan cupcakes for sale. Each time a user clicks on the ad, Sweet Treats pays a small fee. Content marketing. Content marketing is like sharing valuable stories with your customers rather than directly telling them to buy your products. Content marketing revolves around creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a specific audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and ebooks, which will help build brand loyalty and trust among your audience. As an example, Sweet Treats might start a blog sharing recipes, baking tips, and stories about their ingredients. This content engages their audience, builds trust, and keeps customers returning to their site. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is like hosting a party where your friends have fun and your brand is a fun and interesting guest. Social media marketing involves using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to increase brand awareness, engage users, and generate leads. It's all about building relationships and creating valuable interactions with your audience. As an example, Sweet Treats uses Instagram to post pictures of their delicious cupcakes, runs contests, and engages with followers by responding to comments and messages, creating a community around their brands. Inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is like starting a conversation with someone genuinely interested in what you have to say. Inbound marketing is a strategic approach focused on attracting potential customers by providing valuable content and experiences, rather than actively approaching them with traditional advertisements. It's about creating value and attracting interested leads already searching for solutions. There are many ways to use inbound marketing. An infographic. Infographics present data quickly and attractively, generating buzz and lasting impact. They are perfect for sharing valuable information visually. A white paper. White papers are in-depth, well-researched documents that offer high value and can be exchanged for contact information. They help in lead generation and nurturing. An ebook. Ebooks provide detailed, authoritative content in exchange for contact information. They position your brand as an expert in the field. Case studies. They showcase the success of your product or service through customer stories. They help persuade potential customers by showing real-life results. A webinar. Webinars offer valuable information in a personal and engaging format. They are effective for lead generation by requiring registration. A podcast. Podcasts can add personality to your brand and engage prospects during their daily routines. They are easy to produce with minimal equipment. And at last, a video series. Videos are highly effective and popular, bringing your brand to life in a short, engaging format. They work well on social media and for repurposing content. As an example, Sweet Treats offers a free ebook on 10 tips for perfect cupcakes on their website. People interested in baking cupcakes can download the ebook providing their email addresses, which Sweet Treats can later use for email marketing. CRO, Conversion Rate Optimization. CRO is like fine-tuning a magnet that attracts potential customers to your website and then converts them into actual customers. CRO focuses on improving the percentage of website visitors who take action, such as filling out a form, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter. This involves optimizing website layout, improving user experience, and testing different elements to see what works best. For example, Sweet Treats notices that many visitors to their site leave without purchasing. So they will test different versions of their checkout page to see which one results in more completed purchases, eventually increasing their conversion rate. Landing page. A landing page is like a digital showroom where your potential customers are directed to view a specific product or offer. A landing page is a separate web page designed with one specific purpose, such as generating leads or selling a product. It's often targeted towards a specific audience and typically uses a clear call to action to encourage the visitor to take action. For example, Sweet Treats creates a landing page specifically for their new subscription box service. The page highlights the benefits of the subscription and includes a sign-up form to attract new subscribers. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. KPIs are like measuring tools that allow you to see if you're on the right track towards achieving your goals. Key performance indicators are specific, measurable goals used to track the progress and performance of a marketing campaign. These can include metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, revenue growth, and customer satisfaction. As example, Sweet Treats sets key performance indicators for their marketing efforts, such as increasing website traffic by 20%, achieving a 5% conversion rate for their online store, and gaining 1,000 new social media followers in the next 3 months. By tracking these KPIs, they can evaluate the effectiveness of their strategies and make necessary adjustments. On this slide, you can find an assignment. To see if the concepts are well understood, you can use this assignment where they have to fill in the blanks. This is the solution of the assignment. It would be nice if you can have a group discussion where learners or students can explain why they chose that specific word and see if they also really understand the context. Thank you for listening. Feel free to also check our other modules and submodules about digital entrepreneurship. Bye!